Hey you guys, welcome to my channel Real Life Diaries. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. My name is Shama if you guys don't know already, and I do video on skincare, makeup and talk with Tilse. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all this everyday wearable makeup which is gonna be really glossy. We all know that winters are here, and in winter especially our skin tend to get dry a lot. So I'm going to show you few tips and tricks here so that your makeup will be last long and will be super glossy all through the day. So let's see how I did this makeup, and if you like it, make sure you will leave the like button, hit the like button, and will share this video with your family and friends. It will really means a lot to me. So let's begin to the video. So I have already prepped my face, okay, with moisturizer and everything, oil and everything. Now I'm applying a primer. So for primer, when I'm talking about glossy makeup, so I want something which is really glossy. So I'm starting with a glossy primer. As you can see, my skin is already, it's like glowing, kind of a store cream you can say this is. And now I'm using a stick foundation. I feel stick foundation work quite well on my skin these days because it gives me more hydration, and I'm applying proper layering on my skin, you can see. So now I will blend it with a damp beauty blender, and I have added 2 or 3 drops of facial oil, argan facial oil, onto my beauty blender so that when I will blend my foundation, it will not get cakey soon. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and make sure that you are giving proper time to your foundation blending, else it will not look real. Now I'm going for a highlighting prospect, or you can say that concealing part. But if you do not have any dark spots or the pigmentation problem, you can totally skip this step as it is a daily wear makeup. But I have these issues, and for the sake of video I'm doing this. And now I'm just damping it with the damp beauty blender. I'm just dabbing it into my skin. I'm not dragging it so that the concealer will stick at the place and it will not go, like otherwise applying concealer doesn't make any sense. So yeah, now it comes to setting the foundation and concealer. I'm not using the powder all over my face. Basically I'm focusing on the area where I've used concealer and where I know my foundation and concealer get crease very soon. So around my eye, under my eyes, around my mouth, on my nose area, uh, this is where I'm applying powder very light handed. Now quickly I will fill my eyebrows. So I'm just doing filling my sparse area. I'm not going overline because my eyebrows are already very thick, otherwise it look dramatic. It doesn't suit with that everyday makeup look. So yeah, next for my eyes, I'm not using any palette. What I'm using is this contour palette from Urban Decay, and taking the contour shade to give the depth to my eyes because it's everyday makeup. If you want, you can leave it, but I feel like if you will work a little bit on your eyes, it will give a good look and it will look really nice. So you can see this dark contour shade. I'm using it and it works as the transition shade quite well. I'm applying it all over the lid as well as in the waterline same time. And next I'm using this glitter shade. You can use any color glitter, or even you can leave it. It's not mandate. I'm just doing it to give that shimmer effect to my eyes, and taking the same contour palette to bronze my face. Okay, very light handed I'm doing this so that it will give some depth to my face. You will say it's everyday makeup, but you are doing contour and everything. I'm not doing a sharp contour, but yes, my face is quite like I'm fat person kind of, not really, but yeah. So for that, when you are applying foundation, it looks like plain canvas. So giving that structure, I'm doing this. And next, very light hand, I'm using the blush, and from the same palette I will use the highlighter to highlight my face. You can see like it's already glowing a lot, but just for giving the extra highlight, I'm using on my high point of my cheeks, and I'll use a little bit in the inner corner for brighten up my eyes, and my eyes will look more open. And next I will just apply some kajal, as I have already used the contour shade on my waterline, so I'm not doing anything else. I'm applying mascara here, but if you're fancy you can go for falsies as well. And that's it. Now lips. So I always contour my lips before applying lip shade, and I prefer, dark color, like whether nude color or what, but in the dark undertone. So but if you like, you can go for a very light color or whichever color you like, because it's the eye look is very universal, so you can wear any dress and any lip shade. Next, I'm just setting it with the dewy finish setting spray and bouncing it everything once again. And that's it about this video, guys. It's really simple, very wearable, and it is super glossy, super classy makeup look. You can wear any kind of dress on this, and you can make any kind of hair, and it's like a go-to makeup look for me. What you guys think, do let me in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please, please, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any request, do let me in the comment section. And yes, this sweater I'm wearing here is from Udarton, Amazon only. I mentioned in my earlier videos, like these days I'm doing a lot of shopping from Amazon. Winters are here and I was like run out with winter clothes. I'm just doing a lot of shopping. If you guys are interested in checking, I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can check. This is not the sponsored one, but yeah, I just thought to share with you all. So that's it about this, guys, and I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, bye.